This was the most amazing snorkeling I've ever done. I swam with wild dolphins in the Indian Ocean.
Thanks to Sky In. Ooh la la.